dual 1015 turntable, and this one it needs quite a bit of work to it if you want to restore this properly. The got this wee kind of marking on the aluminium there, oxidization there, and it has a problem where the motor runs all the time, even in stop mode. So if I turn it on here, so I'm not sure if it's to do with the alignment of the mechanism here or something else with the maybe the motor capacitor or the switch. But yeah, runs all the time. The good news is that it does run in all the speeds. So 33 here, change that to 45, speeds up, 78, speeds up even more. So it means that the idle, the wheel on this is still good. Nice and silent as well, the motor. And it also needs a head shell adapter in there, which I believe you still can get on eBay. I've seen those. So if we put it to start mode, it definitely wants to bring the tone arm across. So that's another good sign. And if we bring the tone arm in all the way, it wants to do auto return, so that's also good. And we have also manual mode as well, where we can just bring the tone arm in, do whatever we want with that. And bring it in all the way. And also stop, and it will auto return back again. So the tone arm is fairly comprehensive there in the adjustments. It does have a number of weight balancing there, made in Germany. And the underside of the unit also is very clean. But yet it will probably need full re-lube, as well as sorting out that problem of why the motor runs all the time.